Setting up dual displays with your Dell laptop requires choosing the right docking station. There are two main types to consider based on your laptop's ports and performance needs. The Thunderbolt 4 option provides higher bandwidth and better performance, supporting up to 8K displays or multiple 4K monitors with a single cable connection. The connection process involves three main steps. First, connect the docking station to your Dell laptop using the appropriate port. Next, connect your monitors to the docking station's display outputs. Most Dell docks provide HDMI and DisplayPort connections for maximum compatibility. Finally, configure Windows display settings to extend your desktop across both monitors, creating a seamless workspace. Understanding the ports on your docking station is crucial for proper setup. The Dell D6000 features multiple connection options on both front and back panels. Your laptop's graphics capabilities determine how many displays you can support. Integrated graphics typically handle 2 to 3 displays, while dedicated graphics cards support more. For optimal performance, ensure you have the latest drivers installed for both your graphics card and docking station. Dell Command Update can automatically manage these drivers for you. When setting up dual displays with Dell docking stations, you may encounter common issues that need troubleshooting. We'll also explore optimization techniques to maximize your setup's performance. The most common issue is display detection problems. Start by updating your graphics drivers to the latest version. Dell Display Manager is a powerful tool that helps detect and configure multiple monitors automatically. USB device issues are another common problem. The solution is to disable USB power management in Device Manager. This prevents Windows from turning off USB devices to save power, which can cause connectivity problems. Audio switching problems occur when sound doesn't automatically switch to your external monitors. Configure your default audio devices in Windows Sound settings to ensure audio routes correctly through your docking station. Now let's focus on optimization. Performance can be significantly improved through proper bandwidth management and graphics settings configuration. Bandwidth management is crucial, especially with USB 3.0 docks. Prioritize display traffic over USB data transfers. Modern Thunderbolt connections can dynamically rebalance bandwidth based on your needs, providing up to 120 gigabits per second for display data when required. Adjust Windows graphics performance settings for external displays. Set your applications to use high-performance mode to ensure smooth visual output across multiple monitors. Regular maintenance is essential for optimal performance. Use Dell Command Update to keep your docking station firmware current. This ensures compatibility with the latest features and resolves known issues. Don't forget physical considerations. Ensure adequate ventilation around your docking station to prevent overheating. Check that all cable connections are secure and ports are clean for reliable connectivity. When properly configured and optimized, dual monitor setups can increase productivity by 20 to 30%. The time invested in troubleshooting and optimization pays dividends in improved workflow efficiency and reduced eye strain.